Vegetable seedlings at Walmart. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today we're gonna be taking you to Walmart, where we're gonna be looking for vegetable seedlings. Hello, everybody. I'm here at Walmart. I'm here to check up and see what they have for um, vegetable plant seedlings or garden seedlings. So I'm trying to see what they have in terms of seedlings that I can get. I usually do most of my seedlings, but there are a few things that I didn't do this year, so I'm just gonna check and see if they have things like bell pepper and potatoes, sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna check and see if they have it. Okay, let's go through and see what they have at Walmart. So we are outdoor here. Let's see what they have, and then we can go from there. Here I see we have tomatoes over here. And see they have big boy tomatoes over here. These ones are big and they're almost ready to be harvested. So these ones, if you want to plant them, you can get these over here. And in here we have different tomatoes. They have different variety of tomatoes. Here they have husky, cherry, red tomatoes over here. It looks like most of the seedlings they have on this side, or at least for now, is mostly tomatoes and different varieties of tomatoes over here. So I have tomatoes already. I started my tomatoes a long time ago, about 5 weeks ago, so I don't need tomatoes. But if you need tomatoes, you can definitely get some tomatoes over here. Here they have celebrity, and down here they have different variety of tomatoes that you can definitely. All the stores are not the same, but say check your local Walmart and see what they have. Here they have Better Boys, and these are the small pots or small size pots over here. Here you have cucumbers, and you have cantaloupe. I planted some cantaloupe myself, and they're doing okay so far. So here you have eggplants. It looks like most of the eggplants over here are all sold out, or most of it sold out. You have watermelon. I didn't plant watermelon this year. I don't, but this is what I'm looking for right here. Beauregard sweet potatoes. So these are the sweet potatoes I've been looking for. So definitely gonna grab that one and just check and see what else they have over here. They have more sweet potatoes over here. The one I'm just getting right now is a 6-pack, so that should be good enough for me. And with sweet potatoes, you can also plant the leaves. That's something that I might be able to show you later on. Here are onions. If you haven't planted onions yet, here are onions that you can definitely grab some onions here and plant the onions. I made a video already on how to plant these onions. If you look at my other videos that I have already, you will see how to plant onions, how to grow onions like these. So onion seedlings. So here they have lettuce, romaine lettuce. I grow mine from seeds, and these look really big and ready to be planted. So if you're interested in something like that, you might be looking at seedlings like that. And these are the eggplants. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer as many questions or comments as possible. So on this side, they have the a little bit bigger variety of plants, and these ones are a little bit more expensive. These ones are like $5.88, and these are still tomatoes. You still have tomatoes on this side, but these ones are they are much older than the other ones. So that's why they're a little bit more expensive. They are much bigger. Here you have pumpkins, and you have different varieties of pumpkins here that you could definitely buy and plant. and you have straight neck, you have butternut, you have straight neck over here. And they are different, like I said, there are different varieties of pumpkins depending on what you're looking for. They have different varieties over here. They have zucchinis over here. I planted a couple of zucchinis. Hopefully they do much better this year than last year. So there are some zucchinis over here that you could definitely buy. Check your local stores and see what they have, and you get your best selection. Select what you want and be able to plant some of them. Some of them are gonna be very based on the store and the location. There are some peppers over here. These ones are jalapeno peppers. These are not the ones I'm looking for. Gypsies. No, it looks like they don't have the bell peppers. I thought they had them last week or 2 weeks ago. This is as always the case. Sometimes when you go, you won't get that selection. There was just one bell pepper down there. There wasn't huge selection as they had a week or 2 weeks ago. So hopefully they get hopefully they're gonna get more bell peppers. And so these are cages that they have over here. They have different size cages for tomatoes. You can use them to hold or support tomatoes. They have different sizes ranging from $2.47 to about $6. Definitely something to take a look at if you're growing tomatoes. Over here they have strawberries. I bought some strawberries last month over here, and I showed you guys how to plant strawberries, and this is where I got the strawberries. So take a look at that video if you intend to grow strawberries. The strawberries are doing great right now. I harvested some strawberries last week, so the strawberries are doing great. So take a look at what they have. They have mint over here. They have sweet mint, and all these over here are $2.47, which is very good compared to other places. So here they have parsley and other herbs over here. All of them are still the same price, $2.47. So take a look at them and see what you're looking for, and just check your local stores and see what they have and be able to make a selection. But they have a huge variety of different herbs here. They have mint, they have cilantro, parsley, and a few others over here that definitely, if I was looking for herbs, I would be able to get some of them over here, but I already have most of them already. So I think this is it so far. Hope you liked the video. Like I said, I was looking for a few things, and I got just the sweet potatoes. Stay tuned for a video. I'll show you how to plant sweet potatoes. But what I've got is the sweet potatoes. They have different things over here. I'll check other farms, garden stands around here and see what they have it. But they have cilantros and the other stuff over here that I don't need right now. So they have sage. They have, like I said, parsley, and a few other stuff over here. So hope you like the video. This is what I got from the store. I'm going back home right now, so this is what I got. So I'm gonna plant this. Stay tuned for that video on how to plant and grow sweet potatoes, and hopefully you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, find the video informative, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.